welcome back to a new video right here on my channel. If you're new here, I am Sonia and you're tuned into a video in partnership with Walmart. That's right, we have a brand new spring try on haul and styling video in partnership with Walmart. If y'all are not hip, Walmart has stylish brands that are in trend for fashion looks for spring and summer. They're unique and they're at a great price, making Walmart a fashion and style destination, okay? So I got 5 spring pieces from them and I'm excited to try them on for you and show you how I style them. So if you're interested in this video, let's get right into it. Okay, beauty, so I got 3 dresses from Walmart and this is the first one. How cute and fun is this dress? It is this like skater-esque mini dress that is striped. I just figured out putting it on that this is navy blue stripes and not black, which actually made me like it even more because I don't have a lot of navy blue in my closet and I am trying to like spruce that up a little bit. The fact that the stripes are smaller around the bust and then they get bigger around this area. Placement of print is important. Okay, so I'm gonna come up close so you can kind of see the top part of it. So this is what it looks like at the top. The arms are like these little lettuce sleeves that I love, and it's the same way towards the bottom of the skirt. Now when I turn around, it is identical on the back, and you can see the length of the skirt on me. Y'all know I'm 5'9", okay? So I would definitely put a pair of shorts on up under this, or even layer like a little ruffled skirt or something on up under this to give it some texture. I feel like pieces like this are perfect to be layered, especially in the spring and summertime when you want to wear a dress out but you just want to make sure you have some shorts under it. It's kind of giving a little smidge of tennis-esque. Y'all know tennis is really big right now, so this is kind of giving that vibe. So I like this a lot. So now let's look at how I styled it and brought the whole look together. Y'all, this next dress, I was so hyped when I saw this online. I put it in my cart immediately. Run it up. Okay, look how cute. I love fun little flirty dresses like this because they make you feel like that, like giddy, cute. Here, I like that, period. So the print are these fun stripes. We're obviously embracing the stripes in this haul, okay? I don't know if the color is really picking up on camera, but this is kind of like a purplish blue, then it goes into a lighter blue, then it goes into like a green, a mint green, a black. Yeah. This is from the brand Scoop. I did get this in an extra large. They do have this in a pink version, so if you prefer the pink print, they have this in that. And this gives the true skater skirt situation. Yeah. It still is giving tennis-esque. Like, you put your little shorts on up under this and you could be, you know what I'm saying, on the thing, getting it. Don't look at my arm work, okay? I'm not a tennis player. I don't even pretend to be a tennis player, but I will wear the outfits. Period. And as you can tell with this one, it is sleeveless and the collar is in that purplish blue. And then it's identical on the back. Again, for us tall girlies, I would advise just putting a pair of shorts on up under this. But yeah. Y'all see when I turn, hold on. Y'all see when I turned around? Yeah, I like that. I like that. For sure. This real cute. Period. Okay, let's get into how we styled this dress. Okay, so the very last dress is the white version of the dress that I just had on. Same brand, same size. I had to get it in white because I just love the design of the dress. And this is not stark white, it's like a cream, and I feel like this is perfect for spring and summer because you can do so much with this. You can keep it neutral, you can add pops of color, you can wear this to play tennis. It's still giving hitting balls on the court, okay? But yeah, it's so cute. And now in this color you can kind of see like the make of the dress. Let me come up close because the material is ribbed. If you know me, you know I love a good ribbed material. And this is also a good spring summer knit. It's not really thick, but it's not super thin either. So it's like a really good quality material. Okay, Walmart. Identical on the back. Here. This is another 10 out of 10 for me. For sure. Honestly, this has been my favorite haul so far for the spring. Like, I love all these pieces. I'm already looking forward to wearing every single one of these dresses. And we still got 2 more pieces to go. All right, let's get into how I styled this dress. Okay, beauties, the second to last piece is this button down top. Y'all know I am a huge fan of button downs, and when I saw this on Walmart, I was like, give me that for sure. So it is this blue and white button down stripe top, but then it has the khaki sleeves with like the army green, and then the accent of the white cuffs as well as the collar, and then where you button it down. This is my vibe. I literally just popped a button off of here. That's my bad, okay? That's my bad. But this is what it looks like. I want to show it to you before I tuck it into my pants. So it's just like this. And then here is the back. So it does go down a little farther in the back, which I like. I love when button downs kind of like have that high-low moment in the back. And then you can see the striped blue, which is really cool because pinstripe blue is trending this spring and summer. And again, Walmart has fashionable brands with trendy pieces, which I love for an affordable price. So I thought that this was a perfect grab to stay on trend. And I love the accent of the green. And then here it is a little closer up so you can see the print. Has a little pocket right here. Yeah, I just gotta fix my one button and we'll be good to go. Y'all know the drill at this point. Let me show you how I styled it. We have come to the last item in the haul. First of all, this haul is a 10 out of 10. I don't know about y'all, but for me, it's giving 5 stars. Okay, so this last piece is this cropped faux leather jacket. Y'all, this jacket here, you see the fringe? You see it? So this is from the Sofia Vergara collection. I got this in a 3X. Y'all know Sofia does have a line with Walmart. She mostly specializes in jeans, but she has other things like dresses, top skirts. She has a lot of variety in her collection, and I believe she does go up in a 5X in some of her pieces. Again, this is a 3X. So I was like itching to get this because, y'all, the quality of this faux leather, like this is good quality faux leather. Like this jacket, yeah, like it's versatile. Y'all know the crop jackets are trending right now. It's festival season, so fringe is in. Fringe is always in for me, but especially now since it's festival season, so this will be a cute little additive to your outfit. And yeah, like Y'all know how like most faux leather has that shine or that like funny smell? This has none of that. This is a really nice quality jacket for $39. $39. Yeah, I obsessed. This hit, baby. Look at the back. It's a French swinging. It's a French swinging. Y'all, I like that. So cute. It does have the ability to kind of open up the sleeve for you a little bit. And then y'all look, it has, I don't even know if you can see, it has a zipper right here. And this is a real pocket. It's not a faux pocket. So you can actually keep stuff in here if you want to. She ate with this. For sure, she ate with this. This would be so cute with a pair of jeans from her collection, some shorts, anything. Like, and even with just a plain white t-shirt under it, it's giving. So of course, let me show y'all how I styled it. Alright beauties, I hope you enjoyed this spring haul in partnership with Walmart. Let me know your favorite pieces below and what you have your eye on this spring and summer. I will of course have everything linked in the description box below, as well as a few other items that I even have my eye on from Walmart. Child, Walmart is really affordably getting our spring and summer closets together, okay? Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see y'all in my next video. Love you. Bye.